Hey you guys, yeah, so we left Pueblo, and we're now in Selden City, Kansas, cutting through the back roads of Kansas up to Kearney, Nebraska. Still on our trip back to Des Moines for my son's wedding. There's some truck noise here. We're just in a little roadside park here. And there's Lisa cooking. We're having a little picnic by the side of the road. You say hi, Lisa? She's already got a mouthful there. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're gonna take you guys through this natural history archway museum, which I guess is pretty cool. Which it's an arch over the interstate outside of Kearney. So here we go. Hey you guys, little quirky thing here. Welcome to Norton, Kansas. Home of the International BB gun champions in 8 different years. All right, that's something quirky. There's the water tower. Norton, Kansas. Watch out for their BB gun shooters. Okay, you guys, we are at the Great Platte River Road Archway Museum here. It's on I-80 in Kearney, Nebraska. I've driven under it many times over the years. I'm finally gonna go check it out. Thank you.
Howdy there, young fella. Young lady.
Okay if I video in here?
Oh, I don't mind if it ain't going to hurt me or none.
No, that won't hurt you.
Well, then I'll allow it. Can I help you folks?
Well, we're just looking to...
Can we come in and look, or no? Is it open?
You can come in here and look all you want, youngin'.
Right.
I ain't gonna keep a woman from looking.
Where do we pay?
You gotta go trade there with Bobby to get your papers.
Okay.
Then you come back this way. We'll get you started up the hill.
What's your name? I'm
My
JD.
name is Crazy Meek.
Crazy Meek, okay. Ooh, those are...
Where are you from? You're so curious about things.
We're from Arizona, or from Phoenix. We got a little gift shop, as always, with... bunch of Nebraska stuff if you're a Nebraska fan.
Yeah, so if you want to go ahead and take those.
Welcome to the Archway. Each person will take an audio device and place it around their neck with a lanyard. To turn the power on, hit the red button at the bottom of the remote. You will see a screen like this. Wait a moment for the device to boot up. In each exhibit, you will see a black transmitter box with a number. As you approach the transmitter, your story will automatically activate and you will see the number pop up on your screen.
Okay, so we have 3 groups of people here. Okay, so these are the 49ers, just 3 guys traveling, going towards the gold rush. That was one type of group that was on the trail. Over on the right is the Mormon Trail. And they're on the way, they're on the Mormon Trail on the way to Salt Lake City. Okay, so they talked about how on the trail they would see all kinds of stuff left behind, make their wagons lighter. They would use wagon wheels that they found for fire, for their wood, to cook their food. They found like an old piano, things that were precious that was getting too heavy in the wagon for the oxen. They found books all along the trail, and they used to call it the Prairie Library because there will be all kinds of books left behind. Okay, so the yellow is the Mormon Trail, the red is the Oregon Trail, the purple is the California Trail, and the green is the 49ers Trail. This is what part of the Reed family, Patty Reed. She's one of the family that got caught in Donner Pass and survived the winter by eating the flesh of other people.
Got me acting out, you. All tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cold. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. Promise me roses and a hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty. Got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand and wake me.
Wow.
Okay, I want something like this to go RVing.
Please tell me it's a dream. Worst kind you've ever dreamed. Another night.
That's basically what we saw down there too. Can I get a Mick Ultra? See this, you guys, this archway right over I-80. Oh, we are looking east. We're above the westbound traffic right now. Pretty cool, huh? We'll be headed east tomorrow.
See how fast cars are going?
Oh, really?
I can see.
Oh.
Let's see. As soon as the car comes, we'll see how fast it's going.
Hey, for you speeders, they got radar detectors up there, so you can see how fast.
Here comes the car. Going 65 is what they got clocked at.
I wonder what the fastest one they've ever had. Ooh, 79, 78.
Ooh, 88.
Uh-oh, get him. Okay, guys, that was the Great Platte River Road Experience or Museum.
The wire buffalo over there?
Apparently there's wire buffaloes over there.
See?
I see them, yeah. I don't know if our friends and followers can see them. Anyway, highly recommend it. It is what was it, about just a little over an hour for us to.
Yeah, we really took our time and read everything.
You have that device, and you stop at each display or presentation or whatever, and it tells you about it, and it's very interesting. I just showed you, just the words and and that, but it's worth coming to. It's pretty interesting. So anyway, maybe back with you again tonight. We're gonna go get some good food and a tasty beverage, and well, you know what, I'm gonna wrap it up here. God bless you guys. Appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're enjoying a little bit of this, or all of it. Hope you're enjoying all of it. Share it with somebody that might appreciate it, and give us a follow, subscribe. We'll see you. You'll see us. We're going across Iowa tomorrow to Des Moines, and for you guys that my youngest son is getting married this coming weekend. So I will be talking to you next from Des Moines.